Good morning! Hola! So I just wake up. Look at this beautiful room. I'll show you a little bit a room tour about this cottage, this hotel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms behind us, and this is with the garden. And I'll show you. Oh wow, restaurant is open actually in the morning. So this is the restaurant. And that's the swimming pool. Agi. Okay, so that's the swimming pool actually. That's the devil stairs over there behind this devil stairs. And over there actually, over there actually Dream Beach.
Alright, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So this over here is our place where we stay, and Winnie already took me as early at morning because it's just 7 o'clock. Would you imagine that?
Yeah, it's like my alarm, you know, in the morning. So
And we're going to the Dream Beach, which is actually very
only
close
2
by.
minutes. 2 minutes from the hotel actually.
Yeah, and like we promised you yesterday, today we will talk only about Nusa Lembongan Island.
Yeah, so what to explore in Nusa Lembongan, because yesterday we explored the neighboring island, which is Nusa Ceningan.
Yeah.
So let's see how it
Let's
is.
see. And as you can see, Dream Beach over here.
Yeah.
And actually you can see already Dream Beach at the front. I will show you. Alright, so Winnie is already swinging in Dream Beach, and yeah, it's very close to that place. And in general, Nusa Lembongan now is very
Well, Nusa Lembongan is very famous for surfing actually. As you see in front of us, the big waves and high tide already in the morning.
And I also wanted to say, as Nusa Lembongan is very quiet right now. Not many people here, not many tourists, so it's very nice time to come to visit. Will become definitely no crowds, no matter where you're gonna come. Yeah, and it's still beautiful like always. Today we will explore more, right, honey?
Yeah.
And it's getting cold already. Alright, we already ordered the breakfast, and we are very close to Devil's Still, so we're gonna have a look how is Devil's Still at morning. However, we will come back for Devil's Still later, right honey? For sunset today, yeah?
So today just wanna have a look. Actually,
It's very
from
close.
the hotel, only 2 minutes walking, but Damian is too lazy to walk, you know,
It's not-
after living in Bali and, you know, just close place, just taking the bike. This is how he is.
Oh, hold the camera, honey. Ah. So at morning we are only the one in Devil's Still, and they put now the rope here because you know that was quite a dangerous spot in
Yeah.
Nusa Lembongan, so they changed it for safety reason. They very big them up.
Yeah.
And yeah,
So long time ago, I think that when you know many Chinese tourists coming here, and then There was an accident like before this rope put like this. There was one Chinese guy, you know, like he was so busy taking selfie, and then he didn't notice that his son already got,
the wave come and
the
took
wave come and
his
took
son.
him to the, you know, that one, to the cliff.
Yeah. Yeah, we will come back here anyway later
Later for
the
sunset. Damian will fly drone. So
yeah.
now we are so hungry, and then we will have breakfast.
Let's go for breakfast. That's just the snappy while waiting. I think what I really like about Nusa Lembongan whenever we come to Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Ceningan, is that this area is still very wild and peaceful. Like you can park your bike on the middle of the road.
Even you just leave the key and nobody steal it.
Exactly. In Nusa Lembongan, you just leave your key inside the bike and nobody gonna take it. That's something what is really nice, you know, like a freedom. Oh my god, honey, you gonna drive?
Yeah, come.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, let's do it. Last time Are you sure, honey? Okay, let's go. Oh my god, long time I didn't drive.
Oh my
like
god,
this.
you are so heavy.
Oh my god, honey, don't crash us. You drive. Oh my god. You know guys, mostly I drive always and I feel more comfortable with that, but now Winnie is driving. Ah no, she's doing well. Look. Pretty good.
Here we go.
And we arrive back. Like I said, very close. Oh.
So I order breakfast as usual. Nasi goreng.
Fried egg with bacon, toast, butter. And yeah, this is the place where we stay. Breakfast. One interesting thing about this place is very family friendly, and this is actually very stylish, like in Ubud.
Yeah, this is like Balinese own. I
yeah.
was talking to the owner actually.
Yeah, it's like a very family-owned Balinese family, and it's very stylish, similar to the Ubud style. So yeah, cheers.
So in Nusa Lembongan actually there is a one bakery shop, and then I look at this one. Oh my god, all of the cakes are so tempting. Wow.
What's happened with your donut, lah?
I already ate some. It's so tempting. I mean, like, well, as you see that the weather so hot in Nusa Lembongan, and then we decided to have a iced cappuccino and donut.
Alright, so after coffee we're waiting for lunch in our hotel. Winnie is swimming here in the pool, and interesting fact, this is the pool. Over here are these bungalows obviously, and over there is the Devil's Stairs already. So like I said, it's super close. We arrived to the Mushroom Bay.
So we are in Mushroom Beach actually. Normally this area full of, you know, like the boat just docking here.
And we are heading now to the Bali High, yeah? It's called Bali High, yeah?
Yeah, this is Bali High.
Bar, for sure gonna have some bintang if they have it, because in Nusa Lembongan now is the problems with radlers, I noticed. Normal bintang is always, but the radler is mostly out of stock, so we will see. And we'll show you how is the situation around. It's a very beautiful beach. I don't really know why it's called Mushroom. However, everybody know where is this, right?
Yeah.
We'll see. So hot. Yes, honey?
Yeah, it's super hot actually.
But we arrived to Bali High.
Yeah.
Having a bintang radler.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Are you okay?
Cooling myself. Come, honey, next one. Oh, much better. I feel so hot, guys. I'm not joking. But the cold bintang is always good, no matter if you drink it. Oh, so good. Just had the bintang in Bali High. We spoke a little bit with the staff over there. They said that the 7 rooms is occupancy.
Yeah, even they just put like half price. So.
Yeah, now it's half price anyway if you're interested to stay in Bali High, which is not so bad. Well, it's super hot. We will watch the sunset and showing you today later the Devil's Steer. This is one of the most iconic places in Nusa Lembongan. We'll see what the day is gonna bring. However, it's very hot. Be careful here, honey. The rope.
Yeah.
Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the life in Nusa Lembongan. Mushroom Bay. This is the Mushroom Bay, the entrance, and most of the businesses are over here are unfortunately closed, or they just open if somebody is interested. When we arrived here was some boat arrived and some people come, but right now, as you can see, it's very peaceful, right?
Yeah.
And very hot. I think Sayang now is feeling hot. What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
For me, obviously, it will be hot because I'm not born in the tropical country, but even Winnie born here in Bali, I think she
I feel it's okay.
Just okay, but previously she said that she feel hot.
Mushroom Beach. Now we decided to go back to Devil's Tears because in the morning the wave, the tide was so low, but now you can hear the sound of the waves, and behind us you can hear like boom,
boom, boom.
Devil's Tears.
I will fly the drone, and as you see also it's not much people, so it's very beautiful to make a best spot and have a best picture possible. And we're waiting for the big, huge waves, right?
Look at that, look at that. We're coming soon, look at that. Alright, as my friend said to me, like the people believe here, if the more people coming to Devil's Tears and the more closer they are to the waves, the more wild they are. What is it? The waves, not the wild. The more wilder the waves actually. As you see, before was quiet, but now when there are quite many people coming, and you know the waves start being wilder and wilder and bigger and bigger. Alright, so I think that's all our video today, guys. So now we are in Devil's Tears, and behind us, so I think that's all our video today. You already follow us from the beginning in the morning until in the afternoon and watching sunset. Well, unfortunately there is no sunset,
today, but yesterday was beautiful.
Yes. So
I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Tomorrow will be the last day in Nusa Lembongan, so stay tuned. If you doesn't subscribe yet, subscribe now, like, comment, and yeah, see you tomorrow.
So see you tomorrow. Bye.
See ya, take care.
have a fish curry today.
Good, nice. With the view of the Nusa Lembongan.